بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm here to help you out with a problem these Al-Fajr and the same model Al-Haramain watches have, of them not making sound anymore when the Adhaan goes off. And that happens most of the time because when you change the battery, or when you let the battery change, the person that changes the battery doesn't align this spring over here with the piezoelectric buzzer. This is what makes the sound, and it can only produce the sound if it gets power, which is done by means of this spring. So when you put the battery, when you've changed the battery, make sure that the spring and the buzzer make contact by putting the case back on properly, so that spring has to touch the round part, this sticker thingy. A second solution is that sometimes the software glitches out on these things, and even though the piezoelectric is on its proper position, it still won't make any sound, and then you have to do a hard reset on the watch, which you can do by touching these two terminals together with a tweezer or something that conducts electricity. And when you've done that, the watch should make a sound again when the Adhaan goes off, or when the timer hits 0 and stuff like that. And the solution works for this same particular watch, however you call it. And I've had two of these Al-Fajr WR-02 watches, and both of them have done the same thing. And I think the case twists or turns when you do certain movements, or when you do like hard physical stuff. Buzzer anymore, piezoelectric buzzer. I hope it helped you, as the sounds do make you be conscious of the time of the salawat. So, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.